everyone and welcome. We are thrilled to introduce our newest member of the CAT Excavator family, which is the CAT 320D3 GC.
Yes, indeed. This is a real game changer in construction. My name is Biju Krishnan.
And I'm Damni Sundar. Let's go check out this amazing mission. So, Biju, can you tell us more about the new features of the CAT 320D3 GC?
Absolutely. It offers our customer the lowest operation cost per hour by ensuring lowest fuel consumption in its size class, along with the lowest maintenance cost. So the rupees per hour spent is the lowest.
So this machine can handle bucket sizes of 0.9 cubic meter to 1 cubic meter, which will boost the productivity significantly.
And that's not all. This model now has two travel speed, 3.8 kilometers per hour and 5.6 kilometers per hour, making it faster and more efficient. So lower cost per hour, more productivity and faster travel. This machine is built to last. It features a heavy-duty boom and a reinforced stick with internal baffle plates and robotic belt. This reinforced structure improves the service life.
This machine is also designed to be compatible with various work tools like buckets and hammers, which gives the versatility for a wide range of attachments. We are not just about power, we are smart too. The Eco mode optimizes fuel consumption by matching engine speed and hydraulic power. This machine typically uses just 11 liters of fuel per hour. Speaking of smart, we have got a game-changing feature, remote flash capability. Now, our dealers can perform software updates remotely, saving you time and money.
The 320D3 GC now have an upgraded operator cabin. The seat has got a better fabric and a dual sliding mechanism, allowing leg and arm length adjustment independently. Operators spend long hours inside the cabin, so a comfortable working environment is crucial to maintain productivity. This cabin offers an excellent all-around visibility and AC airflow.
Safety is a top priority at Caterpillar. Here are some of the safety features of our new CAT 320D3 GC. The hydraulic activation lever locks out all hydraulic functions to prevent accidental movements. It also has anti-skid plating and countersunk bolts, which help reduce slipping in severe conditions and during routine checks.
And there are grips on the track frame, service platform, cab and battery compartment, making it easier and safer to climb up and down from the service platform and the operator station. The full-length firewall that separates the pump compartment from the engine is an essential safety feature. Plus, the improved muffler design reduces sound, enabling the machine to operate at night without causing noise disturbances. There is also a ground-level fuel cutoff switch to shut down the engine in emergencies, along with an emergency exit in the cabin for operator safety. This machine is designed in such a way that daily maintenance activities can be performed from the ground level for easy access. We also have done modifications like no pilot pump hydraulic system, up to 6,000 hour hydraulic change interval, 3,000 hour hydraulic return oil filter change interval, and 12% lower hydraulic refill capacity, which helps the customer to reduce their maintenance cost.
And that is all you need to know about our incredible CAT 320D3 GC.
We can't wait to see you at job site with our machine.
Contact us today to know more.